Well, they say heroes get remembered, all but legends, no, they never die. Well, our forefathers stood for something. King Jesus, a little southern pride. Where I come from, things haven't changed. We're still living in them good old days. Yeah, well, if you ain't about the South, shut your mouth. You ain't got nothing to say. When them good old boys bring the noise down in small town USA. We ain't got a lot, but we love what we got, and we always gon' keep it that way. Well, if you ain't about the South, shut your mouth. You ain't got nothing to say. Yeah. Well, there ain't no shame in getting dirty. There ain't no problem with blocking out of a 9 to 5. 'Cause we're out in the backwoods on the weekends, breaking in them Mickey Thompsons on my 4-wheel drive. But where I come from, we do things right. Work all day and party all night. Yeah, well, if you ain't about the South, shut your mouth. You ain't got nothing to say. When them good old boys bring the noise down in small town USA. We ain't got a lot, but we love what we got, and we always gon' keep it that way. Well, if you ain't about the South, shut your mouth. You ain't got nothing to say. If you don't like how we do things, we don't care. Well, it's a different kind of world we're living down here. And before our meals we still say grace, and I'll proudly tell you to your face.
What?
Oh yeah, well, if you ain't about the South, shut your mouth. You ain't got nothing to say. Them good old boys bring the small town USA. We ain't got a lot, but we love what we got, and we always gon' keep it that way. Well, if you ain't about the South, shut your mouth. You ain't got nothing to say. Yeah.